Hello.
Hello.
Is this the new mower combination?
Yes, this is the new NOVADISC series.
It looks very light and very compact. It looks like my 4-cylinder tractor can handle it, right?
We actually developed this mower combination precisely for this kind of tractor. It has a very short and compact design close to the tractor, so you can operate it with a 4-cylinder tractor from around 100 HP without any problems, even on steep slopes.
I have a regular rear mower at the moment. It looks quite similar in terms of configuration.
Yes, that's true. The NOVADISC is also available as a single rear mower with the proven side pivot mounting system. It's relatively light, brings the center of gravity close to the tractor, and you also get extremely good ground tracking.
And what happens if you hit something at some point?
Our machines are fitted with a proven collision safety device. It's at the front on the headstock, one on each side. The mower unit can then fold back if it should contact any obstacles.
We have very hilly terrain on our farm. What is the ground tracking like?
There's a very large freedom of movement on our machine. It can move up to 30 degrees downwards, and the mower can move up to 45 degrees upwards without any problems. This means that in practice you can drive anywhere with this mower. Any embankment, no problem. Another thing that's important on steep ground, you need a large overlap with the front mower, especially when working along contours or if you want to make sure there's no feathering when cornering. Here we have only a 2-meter gap, and as a result achieve a very large overlap with the front mower.
So that means the overlap is half a meter.
That's right, if you have a 3-meter front mower or even a little wider.
I see, that's pretty neat.
On steep ground, it's also important to have proper weight alleviation so that the mower unit exerts as little pressure as possible on the ground. We achieve this with 2 large suspension springs that can be adjusted in 3 stages without the need for tools.
Yeah, it looks really straightforward. It is relatively easy to find the right setting.
That's right.
And how does that work if you want to park in the upright position? I don't have a lot of space for storage.
There are parking stands available as an option. You can easily attach them to the frame and then lower the mower in the folded position as well. And there's more. We have a very low transport height and therefore also a very low parking height. So the mower really fits in everywhere.
I see, there's the control terminal. I can use that to raise each side separately, right?
Yes, this is the optional individual lifting system. It's basically a pre-select system, left side, right side or both sides when it's in the middle position. But there's also a solution completely without electronics. Then you have 2 single-acting spool valves, one for each side.
Okay, yes. I like the control system very much. It is very simple and intuitive.
Yes, it is.
I have quick change blades on my old PÖTTINGER mower. Does that still exist?
Yes, of course, it's still standard equipment. We've provided this system for many years. It's integrated into this mower in exactly the same way.
What else do I need to know about the cutter bar?
The flat and short construction is important because it ensures a good flow of crop over the bar.
Yes, that's right. The flatter the better.
Exactly, because the forage has to flow over the top of the cutter bar. What's also important is the internal structure of the cutter bar, i.e. the entire driveline. This is extremely robust on our mowers. As you will see, this is actually very well explained in the brochure. We use tri-drive technology. We have relatively large gears that always mesh with 3 teeth on each gear. This simply means that the entire drive is extremely robust and can withstand even extreme stress. But there are a lot more details which are all neatly explained in there with photos. Please take this with you.
Yes, thank you. And if I would like to find out more about other PÖTTINGER machines?
Just visit our website, www.pöttinger.at. There you'll find information and videos, etc. on all our machines.
Great, thank you.
My pleasure.
More success with PÖTTINGER.